Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn business ideas step by step. First, begin by identifying problems and needs around you. Pay close attention to everyday annoyances or things that could be improved. Listen to what people are complaining about, whether it's a small inconvenience or a significant challenge. Look for gaps in existing services or products, as these often reveal opportunities for new ventures. This initial observation is crucial for finding a solid foundation. Once you have a list of problems, it's time to brainstorm creative solutions. Don't limit yourself. Aim for at least 10 to 15 different ideas for each problem. Consider how new technologies or different business models could offer unique approaches. Techniques such as mind mapping can help you visualize connections, while Scamper, which stands for substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse, can spark innovative thinking. After brainstorming, research and validate your most promising ideas. Conduct preliminary market research to understand if there's genuine demand and who your competitors might be. Speak directly with potential customers to gather honest feedback and gauge their interest. Consider creating a minimum viable product or service, a basic version of your offering, to test your assumptions with real users. This step helps refine your idea before significant investment. Finally, develop a clear business model for your chosen idea. Define exactly who your target customers are and what unique value you will offer them. Determine how your business will generate revenue, whether through sales, subscriptions, or other methods. Outline the essential resources, activities, and potential partnerships required. A simple, one-page business plan can effectively guide your initial efforts and help you move forward with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.